So we are deciding to stay in here for a little while. We're gonna go through the Sorcerer's workshop.
Ooh, this is like,
yeah. We haven't done this in a while. I think Logan was, I think he was really young the last time we did this. But we're gonna come through here. This is really cool.
look at it. I don't know if you can see it with the camera, but watch what happens. Just like what we saw yesterday at the museum.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Their characters from A to Z reflect your personality.
Let's see.
Logan's having fun now.
There's Goofy walking. Got his little strut going on.
The rain is letting up a bit, but we decided to stay here for just a little bit longer and have some more fun. Oh yeah.
Oh, speaking of Donald, the Walt Disney Family Museum has, I think they have an exhibit on World War II, you know?
Yeah?
How they made propaganda films.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
So you get to draw a little something in.
Oh.
The crystal's right here. This is pretty cool in here.
What's this one? Yeah. Oh, I think these are the same ones.
Is that again?
The Blue Fairy from Pinocchio.
Okay. And over here is
Yeah, one turns Pinocchio
Jiminy
into a
Cricket.
real boy.
we got Moose over here. Oh, look at over here.
Hey, Madame Mushu.
Check this over here. Check this over here. Spin this.
Beyond this hall, a room of books and mirrors.
That's cool.
That is cool.
Where characters
And it's like, slow down, you can see both sides of it.
reflect your personality.
Oh, hey, the mirror. Oh, I missed the mirror. This is really cool. Oh, cool. What's this one over here? Oh, Gaston.
Gaston.
I don't know, get an idea.
Oh, there he is.
Oh. The mirror.
Behold the realm in which you start, a world of motion locked in art. Yet in your hands you hold the key to break the spell and set it free.
Nice. So,
Oh, Captain Hook. Now, what's this one?
see, and here's what I want to show you. It's like on one side you got Captain Hook, the other side you got Tinkerbell. And you spin them around. And you get the two of them together.
Like you see, you got Iago, Jafar, both on different sides. Speed it up.
Beyond this hall, a room of books and mirrors that can change your looks, where characters from A to Z reflect your personality.
And there you go, more characters. Buzz Lightyear, Aladdin, Jasmine, a whale,
Monstro?
Quasimodo.
This is really cool. Okay. You spin this and you get
Tarzan, Dumbo,
Logan.
Alice.
You spin it. Look. Oh.
Behold the realm in which you start, a world of motion locked in art. Yet in your hands you hold the key to break the spell and set it free.
You ready to go to Beast Library?
Yeah.
This is really cool. Look at this. So in this room, yeah, let me show you. Come over here. We'll sit down. We'll sit down right here. And what you do here, here, I'll let Logan look.
Touch the glowing bookmark, and the enchanted book will show you your true character.
There you go.
Enchanté. It is with the greatest pleasure that we will now show you which Disney character is most like you.
Most like me.
My assistant, please. Your assistant? Relax, Cogsworth. No need to get ticked off. My dear guest, first we must create your portrait. Gaze deeply into Cogsworth's reflection.
Yes, hello, up here. Simply line up your face inside the oval, if you please. Now, sit back, relax, and smile. We're going to create your portrait in 3,
With my mask on.
1. Got it!
Yay.
It is perfect, yes? If not, you may try again.
I'll save it.
Wonderful. I will save your portrait for the final chapter. But first, we must learn a little
Little
bit
about you.
the wonderful personality that is you, sir or madame.
I'm a sir. I'm a sir.
When you have a problem, would you rather talk it out with friends?
Or think it through in your head. Do you see yourself as more sensible?
Or more imaginative? Are you ruled more by your passionate heart?
Or your logical head?
A passionate heart.
Do you usually like to plan things out?
Or wait to see what happens?
What do you think?
I don't know, this is about you.
Very good. One more question we must ask.
Would you rather eat lunch with nice people?
Or eat nice people for lunch?
Oh, yeah, really?
You are lively, curious, and the life of the party. Your interests are wide-ranging, which you often pursue with many unique friends. You are most like Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, baby!
I do love a happy ending.
Au revoir.
You gotta press this a little hard, dude. You want to do it?
Bookmark and Enchanté. It is with the greatest pleasure that we will now show you which Disney character is most like you. My assistant, please.
Yes, hello, up here. Simply line up your face inside the oval, if you please. Now, sit back, relax, and smile. We're going to create your portrait in 3, 2, 1.
Hey! Let's look at the picture. Hey, looks pretty good.
Yes. If not, you may try again. Wonderful. I will save your portrait for the final chapter. But first, we must learn a little bit about the wonderful personality that is sir or madame. When you have a problem, would you rather talk it out with friends?
Or think it through in your head. is more sensible?
Are you ruled more by your passionate heart?
Or do you usually like to plan things out?
Or wait to see what happens?
Almost exactly the same as mine.
Good. One more question.
I love eating people for lunch.
You are lively, curious, and the life of the party. Your interests are wide-ranging, which you often pursue with many unique friends. You are most like Mickey Mouse.
Oh, yay!
There you have it.
I do love a happy ending.
Au revoir. Okay.
So, Logan and I are most like Mickey Mouse, which is kind of crazy. Kind of crazy.
Oh, and something about that portrait.
Yeah. Oh, look. There goes the left. Fire goes up. Yeah. And the whole place lights up. This is pretty cool. And then we'll watch what happens when the fire goes out. What do you think? What do you think?
That's cool. Yeah, it's really cool.
You know they had this put together before Be Our Guest, right?
Yeah, it's been here a long time.
Been here
Not
for a
sure
while.
exactly how long. But
Yeah.
It's been here a while.
See what happens. Nice dramatic music. Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Goes out in one portrait.
Yeah. And now the petals start falling from the rose.
That's what happens when you got from the intro of the movie.
Yeah.
Trust me, I would know it.
So, you used to be able to walk through here to Ursula's grotto. And you- must be closed, so we're gonna go back this way. So right now Tyler's doing this. We ran into him so that he could.
Simply line up your face inside the oval, if you please. Now, sit back, relax, and smile. We're going to clean up your pocket. 2, 1. Got it. Oh, delightful.
You wanna try again?
If not, we may try again.
Yeah. Hey, you need to sit back.
For the final chapter.
Oh, I guess I'll use that one.
But first, we must learn a little bit about the wonderful personality that is you, sir or madame.
You have to hit it hard.
When you have a problem, would you rather talk it out with friends or think it through in your head?
Do you see yourself as more sensible?
Or more imaginative? Are you ruled more by
I swear, we get the same thing.
Or you're logical?
I'm actually a little bit both.
Do you usually like to plan things out?
or wait to see what happens? Very good. One more question we must ask.
Would you rather eat lunch with nice people?
Or the nice people for lunch?
Yeah.
You are friendly, sociable, and you understand the needs of others. As a leader, you are wonderful at keeping the peace while raising people's spirits. You are most like Woody.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
I do love a happy ending.
I'm also
So it looks like Tyler's more like Woody. Yeah. All right. Let's head on back out.
You're not the real boss, I hear.
So we asked the cast member why Ursula's Grotto was closed, and they said that it's been closed for about 7-8 years, that Disney's been using it for something else.
Well, they had a character, I think it was a meet and greet. That might be it.
Yeah, what they used to do in Ursula's Grotto is basically you take a clip of a film, one of their films, and you would put your voice over that animation, and it was absolutely cool to do because a lot of it's like I'm not exactly sure if it's. I think the voice work comes first, and then the animation comes to match it, or vice versa. But it's really cool to do. It was really cool to do. Kind of sad that they took it out, but I guess that they're using the space for something else. It's for what's best for what they need right now. Hope they bring it back though, at least for something else.